How to use dictation and auto-reply on your iPhone. How to use Siri to send a text message. Take your iPhone and say, "Hey Siri, send a text to contact name." The contact name should be the same as it's entered in your contacts list. Start dictating the message you want to send right away. Then, Siri will ask if you're ready to send the text message. If you're not happy with how it turned out, say edit, and you'll be able to change the message. If the message is correct, say yes, and the message will be sent. How to turn on and use dictation. Go to the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Tap on Keyboard. Scroll down and tap on the slider next to Enable Dictation to turn on dictation. Tap on Enable Dictation again to confirm. Now, when you need to input text, use the mic. For example, when you open the Notes app, you'll see a microphone icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and start dictating your text. How to set auto-reply text message while drive mode is enabled. Go to the Settings app. Tap on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down and tap on Activate. Select Manually and go back to Settings. Then tap on Auto-reply to. Choose Recents, Favorites, or All Contacts. Go back to Do Not Disturb settings and tap on Auto-reply. Tap on the messages to edit it or write a brand new one. When you're done, go back to iPhone settings. Go to Control Center, scroll down, locate Do Not Disturb while driving, and tap on the green plus button to add the feature to Control Center. Then, from the top right corner, swipe down to see the Control Center. You'll see the Do Not Disturb while driving button. How to allow calls from specific contacts while in the Do Not Disturb while driving mode. To allow repeated calls, go to the Settings app, tap on Do Not Disturb. Next to repeated calls, toggle the slider to enable the feature. To allow calls from favorites, tap on Allow Calls From and select Favorites. Thank you for watching.